Today we are going to be working the verb زار, visit. Let's start off with these 4 examples in the present tense. تزور أقاربها في ماليزيا. She visits her relatives in Malaysia. يزور أصدقاءه في لندن. He visits his friends in London. يزور أمريكا لأول مرة. He visits America for the first time. تزور والديها في سنغافورة. She visits her parents in Singapore. As you notice, the alif of the verb زار, it's replaced with the waw in the present tense. زار, تزور, يزور. Now we are going to conjugate the verb زار. We will begin with the first person, meaning when you are talking about yourself. أنا أزور, I visit. نحن نزور, we visit. As you notice, the prefix of the verb and the pronoun share the same first letter. أنا أزور, نحن نزور. أنا أزور, I visit, singular masculine. نحن نزور, we visit, masculine plural. أنت تزور, you visit, singular masculine. أنت تزورين, you visit, feminine singular. أنتما تزوران, you both visit, masculine dual. أنتما تزوران, feminine dual. أنتم تزورون, you visit, masculine plural. أنتن تزرن, you visit, feminine plural. The letter te indicates that the verb is in the second person. It means that you are talking to someone. أنت تزور, you visit. As you notice, the prefix of the verbs and the pronouns share the letter te. هو يزور, he visits, singular masculine. هي تزور, she visits, feminine singular. هما يزوران, they both visit, masculine dual. هما تزوران, they both visit, feminine dual. هم يزورون, they visit, masculine plural. هن يزرن, they visit, feminine plural. As you notice, the verbs of the third person usually begin with the letter ya. Ya. It means that you are talking about someone else. هو يزور, he visits.